Hello guys, so there's a breaking news we don't day on for the last 30 minutes or thereabout. So make I take at least the one from person where we really know will be Arsenal correspondent. So Chris Whitley going to let us know say Victor Gyokeres will travel to London this Friday. I think next tomorrow. Will travel to London to undergo his medical ahead of his move. You get because they'd already agree all the details, all the add-ons, they'd already agree everything. It has been resolved. And this corresponds with the report we'll get in the morning. Where they talk say from today to Thursday, Arsenal will rectify this deal. So I think they can rectify them today. They don't wrap up everything. You get so we don't get any problems. So they'll just say they will rush everything sharp, 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 sharp. Friday, he go come London, come do a medical. This is why they say he go come London. That means he was not in London, or maybe he come London, come go back, or won't come back. So no, they understand. All the picture they say Gyokeres is in London, can he come? But at least I be want to leave this news. Say okay, maybe if I record the evening news, make I add them. But a lot of people don't really ask me how far what's the apple, So make I just allay everybody fears. Let you know say Gyokeres is an Arsenal player. I said it in the morning. The hard part is done already, which is the fixed fee. One of the fear because of add-ons. Say they didn't want to collapse, they want to collapse. So I don't think there's anything for us to fear. So by the time I do the evening news, I go add more clarity to this report, show you what other people also say about this particular deal it gets. And even say the one where they come for front, so they say Liverpool now don't go meet Newcastle say how far we they prepared to offer on a 120 million for Alexander Isaac una go collect based on Arsenal not bringing UK. This is they don't the fear and say, we guys respond. You get so, but we just watch next season is going to be a banger. All right, guys, as we